Switch it up. Mastering pronoun changes in reported speech. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into an important topic in English grammar: first-person pronoun changes in reported speech. It's a critical part of learning reported speech, and it can sometimes be tricky. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a much better grasp of it. Before we delve into our main topic, let's first remind ourselves what reported speech is. In English, when we want to tell someone what another person said, we can do it in two ways: by using direct speech or reported, or indirect speech. Direct speech is a word-for-word report of what someone said. On the other hand, reported speech is not a direct quote, and it requires us to make some changes in verb tenses, time expressions, and, as we will focus today, pronouns. The need to change pronouns in reported speech arises from the shift in speaker or listener. When you report someone's words, the speaker and listener may not be the same people as in the original conversation. Hence, pronouns, which refer to people, need to be adjusted to reflect the correct reference. And the first-person pronouns, I, we, my, our, etc., are no exception. They change based on who is reporting the speech and who is being referred to. Now, onto the meat of our discussion: changing first-person pronouns in reported speech. When you're reporting what another person said and they used a first-person pronoun, you typically switch it to a third-person pronoun. For example, if Anna says, "I love my cat," and you want to report it, you would say, "Anna said that she loves her cat." Here, I changes to she, and my changes to her. The pronouns shift to align with the speaker's perspective. But wait! If you are the one being referred to in the reported speech, the first-person pronoun remains the same. For example, if Anna tells you, "I like your idea," and you want to report it to Bob, you would say to Bob, "Anna said she likes my idea." Now that we understand how first-person pronoun changes work, let's put it into practice. Try changing these direct speech statements into reported speech. 1. I am feeling happy today, said John. 2. We will finish our project tomorrow, said the students. 3. I am coming to your party, she told me. The answers should be: 1. John said that he was feeling happy that day. 2. The students said that they would finish their project the following day. 3. She told me that she was coming to my party. And there you have it. The mystery of first-person pronoun changes in reported speech revealed. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep trying out new sentences and soon you will master this topic. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure.